I was asked, how do men fall in love? So about 8 years ago, I polled 2,000 men to find out. And I didn't put up with their answers that were like, I want sex and I want a sandwich. That wasn't good enough. But what we did find is there was 4 things they needed to fall in love. And what they were was an acronym I came up with called NAB. N-A-A-B. So you got to nab a guy. You're going to nab him. And what that stands for is you need to make him feel needed. And then you need to make him feel appreciated, accepted, and then you need to have boundaries. So why needed? In today's day and age, he doesn't have a purpose because he used to be the breadwinner. Now women have money. So how are we going to make him feel needed? Well, we're either going to ask him for advice, we're going to ask him to support us in other ways, and then we're going to thank him for it. So now he has a purpose. And then in terms of acceptance, he wants to be able to say whatever comes out of his mouth. He wants to share his emotions. He wants to be able to cry. He wants to be able to put his head in your shoulder and be the little boy and not feel weird for doing so. So that's acceptance. And then he also wants a woman that's boundaries. And it's not a woman that nags. It's a woman that states, this is what makes me happy. So he is given direction. Once again, so you're taking him back to making him feel needed so that then again he can get his appreciation. So it's NAB. All right, ladies, we'll see you next video.